Hey there, health hustlers. Welcome back to Healthy Vibez, your favorite channel for all things health and fitness. Today, we're talking about a simple yet powerful concept, the calorie deficit. It's the secret sauce for shedding those extra pounds without losing your sanity. So, let's break it down in simple words. Okay, imagine your body as a bank, and calories are the money you deposit. Now, when you eat, you deposit calories into your body bank. And when you move, exercise, or just breathe, you spend some of those calories. Here's the key. If you spend exactly the same amount of calories you deposit, your body stays the same. No weight change. That's called calorie balance. But if you deposit more calories than you spend, your body starts storing the extra calories as fat. And over time, those extra fat deposits lead to weight gain. We don't want that, right? Now, here comes the magic. When you spend more calories than you deposit, your body needs extra energy. So it starts using those stored fat reserves. That's when you start losing weight. But how do you achieve this calorie deficit without going crazy? It's all about making healthier choices. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. Be mindful of portion sizes, too. Eating a little less than what you're used to can make a big difference in achieving a calorie deficit. And guess what? You don't need to run a marathon. Find activities you enjoy, like dancing, walking, or playing with your pet. Just get moving. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Remember, healthy weight loss takes time. Be patient with yourself and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. It's all part of the journey. And there you have it, the calorie deficit made easy. By spending more calories than you deposit and making healthier choices, you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. So let's rock that healthy lifestyle together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Vibez for more awesome tips and tricks on health, fitness, and better living. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay awesome, stay healthy, and keep those positive vibes rolling.